Hey, everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan. And after a brief breather, the market was moving down, but it's going now back in the right direction. Yeah, we're looking at the top 50 by market cap, and you can see Bitcoin Cash, Ordi, Quant. They're pulling off some pretty impressive gains, but wow, ICP, the internet computer, it steals the show. It's up currently 34% on the 24. So what's going on? Well, they moved from their test net to their main net, so the ecosystem is officially live. Something caught me by surprise today, and that was the Ripple validator was changed to voting no on the automated market maker, the AMM. Now, they had originally been in the yay column, but I saw that they were in the nay column. Now, obviously, it surprised me, so I asked on X if anybody had any information, and I received the best answer from OnLedger. He said that there are a number of scenarios that could have caused it. First, their vote was changed to no, but I don't think so. I mean, I would be surprised. Okay, or here's number two: they reinstalled Rippled, the Ripple D, which is software, without reusing the wallet.db. Possible. Number three, they swapped out their infrastructure without taking their wallet DB file, where the vote actually persists. Yep, okay, that makes sense. Or they are running duplicate validators. I think all of them are possible scenarios. Now, there were a lot of people asking Ripple, especially David, to reply. I haven't seen anything come out of the Ripple camp yet, but I would imagine it has something to do with updating their infrastructure, and they just didn't move that vote back over to the yay column. So how's the ledger doing? I'm talking about the XRP ledger with the spam. Well, it's not doing bad at all. The total transactions are running quite high, you can see, per block, in the mid 200s and all the way up to the mid 400s. And it seems to be humming right along. You can still see a fair amount of spam is coming in. All of these 0.000001 are just drops of XRP. And within this block, you can see it's quite a few. It is well over the majority. Look at this. It just continues down all the way. Yeah, I would say that looking at this block, it's more like 97%, 95 to 97% is all filled up with that spam. And no doubt people are wondering, is this going to continue? Is this going to end? Is it going to accelerate? Where is this spam going? All right, I want to cover in a bit more detail this huge announcement that came from XDC and SBI. First, XDC is going after trade finance. Blockchain solves lots of pain points like duplicate bill of lading, the manual, I'm talking manual letters of credit, and those contracts, and the AML reviews, the anti-money laundering reviews. It's all full of paper. And the payments, of course, very slow. So the distributed ledger technology digitizes all that paper. And if you add tokens and smart contracts, you can actually tokenize those invoices, creating locked-in obligations that create short-term financing with yield for investors. It's brilliant. So SBI, along with their crypto asset company wholly owned called SBI Alpha, which will be the fiat component, with Corda giving the blockchain component, and Impel, there you can see in the center, will create that bridge. And then SBI VC Trade is, of course, the XDC crypto to fiat. You have all the ingredients to not only make a dent, but capture a large part of the trade finance market. And what you need to know is it's so early. There are few participants compared to, let's say, the payments space. In the payments sector with DLT, it's really getting quite saturated, but very few companies have gone in to tokenize these trade finance invoices. Everyone was asking me, I thought SBI liked XRP. Well, of course they do, especially what XRP has done for retail payments. So let's go a little deeper. Trade Finex Tech, it's in the UAE, and yes, it is something. They have a maturing platform for staking. We're not going to cover that component of their business in this video, but you can have a look. I want to look at their focus, which is very much emulating the success that XRP has had. From the Trade Finex website, you can see that they are working on the XDC liquidity for the trade finance sector. And they give a little background. They even go as far as citing Ripple has been successful in showcasing the use of the digital asset on its decentralized network XRP. Remittance companies can use the liquidity of XRP across corridors to process faster retail payments. And XRP has built its liquidity from USD 250,000 per day to approximately USD 2 billion per day. And then they make the comparison to XDC. It is the digital asset on the XinFin network, which stands for XinFin Digital Contract. So currently, this digital asset trades across 18 global markets, and XDC has demonstrated the ability to be a liquid asset against multiple fiat currencies and across different jurisdictions. Liquidity against fiat currencies enables instant settlement and mitigates counterpart risk. It is the most liquid asset on the IDEX that is connected with Coinbase, and it is the second most liquid asset against the Indonesian FX markets for the rupiah. So the focus is building that liquidity against the US dollar, the British pound, the UAE dirham, and the Japanese yen. They are currently getting whitelisted by the regulators for tokenization and settlement here. Trade finance for market investors as a product is poised to grow to $3 trillion by 2027. SBI is a mega financial services company in Japan, and they have all of these companies under their umbrella. And they are also the largest outside shareholder of R3, the architects of Corda. R3 capped off 2023 with many firsts, like with Corda being the first to tokenize the ownership of institutional clients' physical gold held at the HSBC's vault. They also were first for the wholesale CBDC to support on-chain settlement with Six Digital Exchange, and they won the Best Blockchain Tech 2023 in the UK at the FinTech Awards. They have formed the official entity, the SBI XDC Network APAC Company Limited. SBI took a 60% stake, and you can see here a full-scale start from Japan to make trade finance more efficient. XinFin's XDC is not new at this. You need to check out Trade Tech. They securitize trade finance receivables on the XDC network's public blockchain. This is a company that really has my attention, and I encourage you to look further into what they're doing. And when you do your own research, go to the Trade Finex website so you can look at the entire trade finance ecosystem through smart contract standards that they're building. I'm going to let a 3-minute demo video take you out. It was inspired by the restricted XRP utility. It's a liquidity solution for the XRP ecosystem, especially for the emerging sidechains that are coming. So while XRP Ledger has been efficient, affordable, and fast in facilitating global payments and exchanges, the lack of smart contract support has confined the usage of XRP mostly to payment transactions. So watch this video and see where they're going to take the digital asset XRP. All right, everybody, do take care. Sayonara for now. Bye-bye.
Let me introduce you to the Moai Finance, your universal gateway to multi-chain liquidity. XRP Ledger has been going through pivotal moments with many upgrades coming up. AMM amendment will free XRP Ledger users from waiting for the counterparty to sell or buy the asset and give chance to earn from XRP. 38D is for sidechains, where sidechains will become the execution layer for XRP Ledger. I'm sure that all these changes will make XRP great again. But these changes will also raise the liquidity fragmentation problem to XRP ecosystem, where DEX and sidechains all have to share the same XRP to ensure security of the chain and liquidity for DEX. This is why we built the Moai Finance, to deliver a unified liquidity experience for users and optimize liquidity distribution of XRP among different chains and pools. As one of our supporting chains, we have built our DEX on top of EVM sidechain for this hackathon. We provide multi-chain DEX on different sidechains and connect them with our automated bridge, the Moai Link. And finally introduce the Easter mode, which is the cross-chain DEX aggregator for interchain asset exchange. Now let us start the demo. This is our landing page. We are currently supporting 1 mainnet and 2 testnets. For EVM sidechain, since it is a testnet, let's press DevNet for the demo. In the first page, we can see the value of our total liquidity and pools that are on the EVM sidechain. First, let's connect the wallet. If you want to see all different pools from different chains, you can toggle all supported chains to see all pools in the universe. You can sort them by volume, TVL, or APR to optimize your choice where to provide liquidity to. Now let's go to the pool detail. In the pool page, you can see the basic statistics of the pool on the top and composition of the pool. The price is queried by CoinMarketCap API. In the middle, there is a graph where we can find historical data of this pool in trading volume, TVL, and fee. At the bottom, you can see histories of liquidity pools at withdrawal and swap. On the right, you can add liquidity. Let's add liquidity. You can see that your balance has topped up. Now let's try withdrawal. Now let's make some swaps. We use the vault system that allows internal multi-hop swap, where users can swap any kind of assets to different one regardless of them having a direct pool. Let's swap some XRP. This is the end of our demo. Thanks.